In this video, I'm going to break down the mortgage lending process so that you understand the process and can make informed decisions. First, I'm going to go over two of the common structures of a mortgage, which is the fixed rate and the adjustable rate. And then after that, I'm going to go through some of the more common types of mortgages. First off, I'm going to briefly go over the difference between an adjustable rate mortgage, or you'll see it labeled ARM, versus a fixed rate mortgage, which is very common as well. An adjustable rate mortgage has an interest rate that can increase or decrease over time. What causes it to change is various economic factors such as inflation. If you get an ARM, it typically has a lower initial interest rate compared to a fixed mortgage, but again, you just got to be aware that that can increase or decrease with time. So then you might ask, why would you ever want an adjustable rate mortgage? Typically, for most residential people that are going to live in their house as their primary residence, you don't. However, they're effective for investors or predicting future market conditions. And then I'd like to briefly mention what is a fixed rate mortgage. A fixed rate mortgage is a loan where the interest rate stays the same for the entire duration of the mortgage, typically 15 to 30 years. So those are the common types of interest rates that you will see attached to the loan. It'll either be a fixed rate mortgage or it'll be an ARM, adjustable rate mortgage. Next, I'm going to go through different types of loans or different types of mortgages and give a brief explanation of each one so that you can have a better understanding of what might fit your needs. First, I'm going to start with the FHA loan, Federal Housing Administration loan. An FHA loan is a government-backed mortgage which is typically designed initially to help low-income buyers or first-time home buyers. Some of the benefits of an FHA loan is that they typically require a lower down payment and have more relaxed credit score requirements. Some of the downside of an FHA is that they typically have a higher premium and you have to pay mortgage insurance. So what is mortgage insurance? Mortgage insurance is required on an FHA loan to help protect the lender if the borrower, the homeowner, defaults on their mortgage. Next, I'm going to talk about a VA loan. A VA loan is a government-backed mortgage for eligible veterans, active duty personnel, and their spouses. Some of the benefits for a VA loan is that they typically require no down payment, and they also have no private mortgage insurance. VA loan is an incredible program for all of our eligible veterans, and I definitely would recommend taking advantage of that if you're eligible. If you're not FHA or VA eligible, typically the type of loan that you'll be looking for is called a conventional loan. A conventional loan is available for everyone. Some requirements for getting a conventional loan is they'll take into account your credit score, your job, your assets, and your income versus debt to income ratio. Finally, after you've decided what type of mortgage will suit your needs, it's time to decide on a mortgage lender. The role of a mortgage lender is to get you qualified and provide the funds to you for purchasing the house. Your mortgage lender is on your side to help you navigate the mortgage process as well as your real estate agent and working together to help make the process easy and smooth for you. So what does the pre-approval process look like when speaking with a mortgage lender? Before the lender can approve your loan, first they need to determine your credit worthiness. You'll need to provide them with financial documents such as pay stubs, tax returns, and bank statements. Each lender will require specific documents, so we'll check with the lender to see what kind of documents that they need. After that, once you're approved for the loan, it's time for the fun part, which is to go house shopping. In the next video, I'm going to go over the shopping process and what that looks like with your agent and how that should work, and that process goes in order for you to get your dream home. Then after that, I'll go over the contract process and then the closing process as well. My name is Eric with Exp Realty in Colorado Springs. I also would like to remind you that this is an interactive channel. If you have any questions about anything in the video, or if there's anything I could clarify, or any other questions as well, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer them. Other than that, thanks for watching. I'm hoping that these videos are helping you understand the process so that when you go to buy a home, you will be prepared.